pretty creepy, but I can already see some hypercars, most of the supercar section. A lot of them are starting them off about to leave. Oh God. We got a prying tool. Oh wow. Yeah, that looks good. Well, let's go down to the garage and install these things. As you can see, the mirrors right now are nice mineral white. You can see they're really chipped up. And those aren't just bugs, those are actual like rock chips. On the first mirror, first things first, we gotta stick this prying tool right in this little crease, right in there, and then we have to pry it out like that. That's pretty easy. So here we got the OEM mirror cap. This is the back side, had a few clips in there to take off, not too many, about 4 total. Already see the inner workings of behind the F80 mirror. Wow, look at that. Oh, that is so good. Look at the fitment on that and just how it shines. Oh my God. Just way more sporty on the left side, right? I mean, there goes number 2. And there we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this out to the car wash, spray it off, wash it, and see what it looks like. Now that we've washed the car and we've seen the carbon mirrors on a clean car, we're gonna go ahead and take this car to South OC Cars and Coffee, which is apparently the biggest cars and coffee in America. This will be my first time attending the meet, so with less being said, let's strap you guys to my face and get on with today's video. So before we get started with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Gentle Bands. Gentle Bands is a men's band brand that harvests rare materials and turns them into jewelry. All the materials used are sustainably harvested, from ancient meteorites to titanium from retired spacecraft, and dinosaur fossils to Hawaiian koa wood and more. So if you guys are interested, all the links are in the description. Make sure you check on those links, see if there's any discounts available at the time of this video, or check them out at gentlebands.com. So with less being said, let's hop back on the road and get on with today's video. As you can see, we got about a 40-minute drive all the way down to OC, San Clemente to be specific. So let's get a few more accelerations and pulls in and pull up to the meet. And just like that, here we are in San Clemente. Oh, I love this car so much. It's the downshifts with the DCT on this car, man. Oh yeah, so now we're hopping off the highway. This car is hilarious. Oh, I just can't get enough of this thing. So we got about 2 minutes from the meet. Never been. Let's go ahead and pull up and see what we got. This is a cool little bridge right here. Very aesthetically pleasing. especially when there's a straight pipe M4 on it. Here we are pulling into the meet. Sick Porsche, couple Porsches right here. Pretty cool. Wow. Let's go ahead and park off and see what kind of car is here. As we can see, the M4 is parked up and those mirrors are looking incredible. The car is finally coming together, but I really can't wait till we get that carbon-tastic steering wheel so we can see it from the exterior as well. So something I forgot to mention about today's video, it's actually the day before Halloween. So we can kind of see some of these cars got Halloween theme. Got a nice Turbo S right there. Check out this Z3. Wow, check this thing out. That's pretty creepy, but wow, I can already see some hypercars, some supercars. There goes carbon-tastic E46 M3 wagon. Beautiful Ford GT right here, like a Nardo gray type color, carbon everywhere. Nice. So it seems I'm catching the tail end of this meet, which is kind of a bummer. You see a lot of empty spots here, but still a lot of cool cars here, a lot of unique builds, stuff I've never seen before, kind of like this Fiat 600 right here, pretty cool. Full bench seats, I mean double bench, dude, that's a vibe. Man, look at this Testarossa though. That is clean. So I guess this is mostly the supercar section. A lot of them are starting them up, about to leave. And look at these STOs with the hoods up, or trunks, whatever you want to call them. It's kind of cool. You kind of see the inner workings of the front end of a Huracan. All the wheel wells, headlights, really cool. Got a roof scoop on this one. Nice M-gang over here. G80. This all black M5 F90. I mean, this is a good looking car. Which one you guys taking, all black Ferrari or all black F90 comp? One thing I will say that is very cool about this event, you got all these cars, this nice shopping center, right? Then you got mountains and hills right there, right off the coast, the ocean. The ocean is all right here. So you can kind of just post up, feel the breeze, kind of watch the boats out there. And then you can come back over here, catch a vibe with the cars, and see if anything new is turned up since you looked last. So it seems like the meet is dying down. We're gonna hop back inside the M4, see what kind of supercars we can chase and come across on the road.
Oh, hi. See, I know where you're going.
Here we go. So right now we're back on the road, right behind Carbon-tastic and the E46 M3 wagon. We got a Aventador, Huracan, 458, Porsche GT3. Just listen. Oh my God. This pair of cars sounds absolutely insane. You guys are gonna have to let me know which one is your favorite. Look at this sight. Oh, let's go. that 458 sounds insane. Oh my god. I'll tell you what, man, this car doesn't get old because you can daily drive it. Listen to that 458. You can daily drive this thing and then it becomes an animal. It can keep up with all these supercars with no problem. Like absolutely no problem. You know, I picked this car up for 35 grand a few years ago, and you can achieve this kind of performance, drivability, experiences in a car for that price. Oh my god. So we're gonna go ahead and say goodbye to the OC crew. It was a nice little rip. I can't even cap. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. We got the final modification for the M4 being installed this week. So, and not only that, it's a big modification. So stay tuned for that. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.